Today's video, I will be comparing Hers hair loss treatment and Rogaine to help you determine which option is superior. Stay tuned until the end to hear the final verdict. Let's dive into the differences first. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Without any supplementary active ingredients. As a result, Hers hair loss treatment offers a broader range of ingredients. Regarding availability, Hers hair loss treatment can only be purchased through their official website, requiring either a subscription or a consultation with a medical professional before making a purchase. In contrast, Rogaine is widely accessible over the counter in numerous physical stores and online shops, making it easily available. When it comes to pricing, Hers hair loss treatment begins at $45 for the minoxidil solution, providing a 3-month supply, while the foam version costs $54 and lasts for 4 months. On the other hand, Rogaine is priced at $51.99, a 3-month supply for both the solution and the foam. Thus, Hers hair loss treatment emerges as the more economical choice. Despite these differences, both Hers hair loss and Rogaine are effective treatments as they both contain minoxidil, a well-known solution for treating hair loss. Both treatments are applied directly to the scalp. In summary, which treatment is better, Hers hair loss or Rogaine? Rogaine's wide availability over the counter in various stores, both physical and online, makes it highly accessible. However, Hers hair loss treatment is more affordable and contains a wider array of active ingredients. For these reasons, I prefer Hers hair loss treatment. Feel free to explore the products through the links provided in our description. Thank you for watching.